Go ahead and set up for a bird dog reverse fly. So for a bird dog, we're gonna set opposite hand and opposite foot out. So you can either have just your leg extended with your toe on the ground. It's still important to have neutral hips here facing the ground, so we don't want them rocking side to side or leaning or opening up in one direction or the other. Really using your deep abdominal muscles in your core to stabilize yourself. I know I'm wearing long sleeves here, but I am a little bit hypermobile in my elbows, so I have to constantly think about having an internal rotation in my elbows. Otherwise, naturally, I have an external rotation and my inner elbow is pointing forward. So I'm gonna keep that set in mind for myself. So we can have our bird dog again with our leg out or up, whichever is in your practice for today. I'm going to take a dumbbell in the opposite arm, and this is a reverse fly. So I'm going to be lifting with my rear delt and my middle back and flying up. So what that would look like again is really using that mind muscle connection, thinking about where I'm targeting that movement, and then to switch again to see with a balanced hold